Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome. So what I'm currently about to do on my beautiful lovely client today is the hydrated silk press. And if you don't know what the hydrated silk press is, I will be happy to explain that to you right after today's intro. Enjoy. All right, so what is a hydrated silk press? This is the service I provide at my salon. So what comes with the hydrated silk press is that it comes with a scalp massage, a deep condition, your ends trim, a blowout, and a press with a style. So what I use is the hydrated shampoo, and I also use the moisturizing conditioner. At my salon, I always do a consultation with my clients. Within that consultation, it gives me the opportunity to examine the scalp, to examine the hair, and also to examine the ends and see what needs to be done. So, depending on how often my client comes, will depend on the service that I would highly suggest, and also the overall how the hair feels, if they came out of protective styling, all that things come into play. The porosity and all of that comes into play when I make the decision of what needs to be done for my client's hair. So with my client, I have been doing her hair for many years, and I always enjoy doing her hair. Every time she comes in, we have beautiful conversation, we laugh, we it's just a good old time. So I enjoy so much doing her hair. So what I'm currently doing right now is I'm about to detangle and get her hair prepared for me to go to the second part of what the silk press is, because we already done the shampoo, the deep condition. So now I'm going into the detangling to get her prepared for the pressed out part. 10:30 later, then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel. You make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I want that it impact that we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I stay straight, straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you have this place on earth, take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you have this place on earth.
All right, you guys. So I want to come because I want to talk about something, and I might make a video to go more into detail on the topic, but I wanted to highlight and talk about protective styling and how protective styling has got this highlighted title, but it is some things that can be harmful to your hair when it comes to protective styling. And I want to just highlight one protective style, and that is braids. When you go into any protective style, this is my own opinion. If your hair is not taken care of, if your hair is not at its healthiest form before you go into a protective style, it's not protecting anything. It's actually just the style. And let me kind of go more into that. So if you find that your hair is already dry, your hair is shedding a lot, your hair is breaking, your ends are bad, uh, everything like that, right? And say you go into a protective style, whatever your condition your hair was in before you went into that protective style is the same condition or worse that it would be coming out of the protective style. So, one thing I want to tell people, care for your hair consistently. Make sure your hair is at its healthiest form consistently. So when you go into protective style, it's actually protecting what your hair is already is. So your hair is already healthy. So it's protecting healthy hair. Your hair is already shiny, hydrated. Your ends are already healed. So those things are being protected. But if your hair is in bad condition and you say, well, I just want to put my hair up in a protective style. No, that's not how it works. It's going to be more damage to your hair. So the consistency of wearing protective styles over and over and over and over and not taking care of your hair in between and even not giving your hair a break from the protective style, it will take away from your natural shine. It will take away from your length retention, and it will leave your hair dehydrated. So as you can see with my client, she came out of protective style, but me and her care for her hair through the years. So her going into any type of protective style, she will have her natural shine as you can see right now. She will have her length retention as you can see right now. She will have her thickness as you can see right now because she cares for her hair. Me and her cares for her hair through the years, through the time she's not in protective style. And she doesn't use protective styling to grow her hair. She used protective styling as a break from wearing her own natural hair. So I know this is going to be a hard pill to swallow. And I know some people are going to be like, girl, bye. Protective styles do da 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 da. And I'm not saying it can't, but what I'm telling you is if your hair is in bad condition before you go into protective style, it's not going to change what your hair is. It's going to make it worse. So I just wanted to highlight that, you guys, because I have seen many of women come in the salon and by social media, they have this mindset of no matter what condition my hair is, if I put it in a protective style, it will fix all those problems. And actually, that is 100% a lie, you guys. I highly, highly suggest, I understand that some of you don't have the opportunity to go to a professional to get more education on your hair. And of course, I try to share the most general information I can share, but also me not having the opportunity of looking at your hair, looking at your scalp, looking at your ends, it's kind of hard for me to tell you as a personal thing what you should do. But I definitely will always share with you guys what is the most general thing you can do to care for your hair, to keep your hair healthy. And that's just 100% something I came here to do on this side of YouTube.
Running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, take a couple routes. Flush mama house, her man's a Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop it, biting down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. The narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north, got Diego. Say hasta luego. Muy bien, rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love.
All right, you guys. So something also I wanted to talk about with protective styling. When you're going into protective style, you always can prepare your hair for it. I have something on my website. I can't remember what I titled it, but it's highlighted for preparing your hair for protective styling. And so what that is getting your ends trimmed if it is necessary. Also, I use the strengthening shampoo and conditioner because you want to make sure your hair is strong and healthy going into protective styling, because especially if you're going into braids, the weight of the actual braid is weighing down on your hair. Also, the actual braiding hair, it is sometimes can be very drying to our hair, so it takes our natural oils that we produce daily, it strips that away from our hair as well. So I always tell my clients to go and get the maintenance before you go into a protective style to keep your hair healthy in between that transition. And I did mention before in a previous video of the strengthening the hair, and someone also talked about Afro G. I do not use Afro G at the salon. I actually don't like it. I have used it on my hair multiple times and it didn't do any benefits. It actually became a problem for my hair. So I don't use it and I don't suggest it. But of course, all products that I use at the salon will be down in the description for you guys opportunity to purchase if that's something you want to do. All right, so we're coming to the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, of course, you can always subscribe and leave comments down below. Let's talk about protective styles. Have you been receiving great benefits from protective styles? Have you not received great benefits from your protective styles? Has it been drying your hair out? Have you been receiving breakage? Are you receiving length retention? All of those questions, please answer down below. I enjoy talking to you guys, and also I love, love, love having these dialogues so we can grow in our healthy hair journey. Thank you so very much, and I talk to you. Oh, I was about to say it. Don't forget to drink your water for healthy hair, skin, and nails, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.